We have embarked on a generosity initiative that we do believe over the next 2 years will help us to settle 23 of our CITAM assemblies in permanent residences. And we also do believe that over the last 2 weeks, you and your family have been praying together on what the Lord would lay in your heart so that you become part and parcel of this journey that together in CITAM we are walking. Now, each and every one of us can participate, and we do urge every member of CITAM to participate, whether adult or youth or child, that no one be left behind as we move together in generosity. Some of us indeed can give much more than the 50,000 that we used as an example last time. Some of us might only be able to manage a little less than that. But whatever it is, that each of us would make a commitment that we are going to move together. Not just 25,000 people, but every member of CITAM engaged in this initiative. Therefore, as we look ahead, today we are giving you a chance to make a commitment. And this commitment will be led through an app that we do believe will help each and every one of us both to track our giving and also to know how we are giving as individuals so that we are not left behind.
Thank you for being part of the Together in Generosity campaign. A special downloadable app has been created to facilitate the process of registering your pledge and tracking your giving entirely from your mobile device. The registration process is simple. Once you've downloaded the app, follow the screen prompts to enter your name, your phone number, and your email address. Press Next and find your CITAM assembly in the drop-down menu. Create and confirm password and register. Next, select a monetary or in-kind pledge. Enter an amount and choose the redemption details. Don't forget to choose reminder options via SMS or email. Confirm your pledge and reminder details. You'll receive a confirmation message by SMS on the phone number you provided. There are various ways to redeem your pledge in the app. Select an installment amount and a convenient date each month on which you wish to be reminded to redeem your pledge. When you're ready to redeem the pledge or part of it, press Redeem and select one of the payment options provided: M-Pesa, PayPal, bank transfer, etc. Type in the amount and press Redeem. Follow the prompts to finish the payment. You'll receive notification that your payment has been received. Download the app today. It's available in the Apple Store for iOS users and in Google Play Store for Android users. Name of the app is CITAM Church.
Do join us together as we move in this initiative together in generosity. God bless you.